All right, all right. We are live here. We're going to be talking to Stella Zheng, co-founder of Rosen, who has been working with us over the past year to really come out with an extraordinary application that's available today on the App Store as well as the Go Play Store. We've also have Yosef Lin, who is the CTO, is going to walk us through how they were able to leverage the Stella Programmable Wallets to create this really neat application. I'm super excited for this. We're live right now across X, YouTube, and we're also over on LinkedIn. So let's go ahead and get this show started. Hey everybody, how's it going? Welcome to the
Hi.
show. We
Hey,
have got Stella Zheng, co-founder and CEO of Rosen, as well as Yosef Lin, CTO of Rosen. How are you two doing today?
it's good.
Why? Yeah, it's good. It's good to us. Really happy to showcase the roadmap and organize such a developer workshop with Sam. So yeah, let's go it.
Awesome, awesome, awesome. So you know what? Let's start off. A little background, Stella. Tell us about what exactly is Rosen, and why did you build it to begin with?
Oh yeah, this is actually a long story. Actually, we found the Rosen app for me from by me and Xiaobing Gu, another co-founder. And at that time, we just found there's no such a platform for this Web3 people to connect globally or share the value on chain or either off chain. So we just found like maybe we can do something more, not just to invest the crypto coins or dedicate into this industry more than investor, but like a real builder. So this is why we start to build the Rosen app. And at the beginning, we call it like Rosen Bridge. It was actually a technical term called like instant Rosen Bridge, which means the warm port. So we want to shuttle the people from the Web 2 to Web 3, from like somewhere to anywhere, immediately, just in 1 second, just like a warm port. So this is why we call it Rosen Bridge.
Very cool, very cool, very cool. So, tell us, how did you get connected with Circle?
Actually, this is like a fun story because we've already connected with Circle back to the last year, the August 2023, at the New York Hacker House organized by Solana. But at that time, we're just like doing a discovery chat. That's more like learn each of others, but we haven't talked about the business partnership or something like that. So after like a couple months later, we reconnect with the developer relation team in Malaysia for the Solana Summit APAC. So this is like we keep building, and then we met again and just like click such a button like, oh, we should build something together. And we just the first time to understand, oh, you're developing such a great infrastructure as the Circle developer platform. So I think this is going to be a huge help to our team, and we definitely can bring something together. So just from like June or July in this year, we start to build on the Circle developer platform, integrate with the programmable wallets, and then we conduct a lot of showcase with the Circle's events, and also like some like internal workshops as well.
That's exciting. That's exciting. It's exciting. I always love to have these sort of experiences because I remember how quickly, from meeting to building, you were able to really get this whole integration going. And that's part of what we're going to be, well, not part of, that is what we're going to be talking about today. We're going to hop into a kind of a presentation that I know that you have put together for us to walk the audience through a little bit of background story, as well as really showcase what the integration allows you to do. So, let me know if you're ready. If the audience is ready, we can go ahead. Those that are watching, if you have questions, feel free to interact as you watch across the platforms. We're happy to answer questions and give shout outs to everybody. So let me know if you're ready, and I can go ahead and get this going. Are you ready, Stella? Oh yeah, shout out. Oh, we getting some love out there from LinkedIn. That's right. We got some folks watching across LinkedIn. Let me go ahead and blow this up a little bit. Shout out to our viewers out there. Looks like Raynon. So yeah, definitely shout out over there as well. Looks like we may have lost Stella. Yosef, do you want to go ahead and do your presentation?
I think that's a take part.
All
About chemical, I think we'd better let Stella start.
right. Hey,
Mm-hmm.
Stella, you ready? Are you ready to show your presentation?
Yeah, sure, sure. Sorry to be dropped off. Okay, I'm gonna
Awesome.
share my screen right now. I'm not sure if you can
Awesome.
see that.
Yeah, we can see it.
Okay, perfect. Yeah, thanks to Sam. Like, I would definitely love to share the knowledge and insight like I know about the programmable wallets for Circle, and just from our perspective, and we are leading the Rosen app to launch it on the App Store and Google Play Store. Currently was adopted by over 20K users among 88 countries. Actually, before this entrepreneurship journey, I was the program director at 500 Global, which is a Silicon Valley-based VC firm and accelerator firm. And I was also working at the State Street Corporation before as a custodian bank. So this is where I gained some like solid foundation and knowledge in this traditional finance. And I just feel like it's quite boring for just working in the traditional finance, rather than jump into a rabbit hole to build something in the Web3. So now I'm also this Solana super team member in Malaysia, and I was also doing some student mentor at CUC and UW, and also actively speaking in some tech events. So if you're interested about me or like to learn more entrepreneurship sessions, like you can connect with me on the Twitter or Telegram. And talking about the Rosen app, I would love to showcase our application. Just like I mentioned, we already supporting over 20K users in 88 countries, and providing such a future borderless social transactions, which also powered by Circle. So our key features are seamless, gasless, borderless, alphaless, and sustainable. So the problem here we address is the current cross-border connections and payment experience is not convenient, it's not efficient, it's really failing to meet the expectation of the digital native generation. So our solution is to build a next generation open social network based on the open money, which means the stable coins, and making it fast, easy, and affordable for anyone to connect or transact anywhere, anytime. And this is just a scenario to showcase like what's the problem that we focus on. So for example, I am a startup founder in New York and I want to hire someone to help me with my work in Hong Kong next week. If you were me, what would you do right now? You still need to post a job on the LinkedIn and passively wait for some applicants, right? And you will find the language barrier, the fragmented and expensive international payments will hinder you because you're just like a startup founder, you're an individual, you cannot really build those branches in different countries like this large corporate. So you don't have such a platform to support you to reach out anyone around the world, right? So this is because today we don't have such a platform. So we built a digital native economy through such a stablecoin based social app to bridge language barriers, to provide a seamless international payments, just all in one open network. This is the Rosen. Yeah, this is some like key features we since we integrate with the Circle. You're gonna have a auto-generated wallet powered by Circle programmable wallets, so no wallet needed and fully compliant. And we can support those people to pay with the USDC via chat without the gas fee because we use the stable. We use the gas stations powered by Circle developer platforms, and you can just send the money just like sending a message. You can also directly connect with the employer or like the business owner. You're gonna have the native translation for multilingual chat. This is our current traction. We have over 20K users. Actually, it's almost like a 30K users today. And we already conduct over 30K transactions on chain. And we saved over 20K dollars fees for our users. And our users increased their earnings 40%. So basically, you can search out the Rosen on the App Store or Google Play Store. We probably should be ranked at number one, and you can easily to download it. It was accessible to anyone. And this is our partnership with Circle. Just like I mentioned, the discovery was from the last year August from the New York Hacker House, and then we're nurturing together. Start from the Malaysia Solana APEC Summit, and then we connect with the DevRel team in Circle, and we apply for the USDC grant and honored to be selected as the grantee of the Circle. And then we start to integrate with the Circle for the program wallets, and we use the gas station, we use the developer control wallets to generate our users wallet, and we launch on the mainnet, and then we showcase at the breakpoints this year with the Circle at their booth, and also the stage at the Circle Forum in Hong Kong. So yeah, so this is what we are doing before with Circle, and we integrate with the Circle Programmable Wallets just in 2 weeks. So I'm probably gonna hand it over to Yosef. Yosef gonna take care about this technical part. If you're a developer, you're looking forward to working with Circle just like the Rosen team did. You should focus on this part, like understand how we do it and what kind of the part we already conducted. So I'm gonna pause here, and probably Sam, you can transfer the mic to Yosef.
Okay, hey guys, this is Yosef. Actually, you don't need such a long time to integrate with Circle Programmable Wallets. And this is Yosef. Currently, I'm the CTO of Rosen Bridge. I'm focused on the architectures of entire Rosen app system, solving some tough tech problems and leading the R&D teams to deliver every release on time. And beyond my working at Rosen, I'm also an honorary expert of the Hangzhou Blockchain Associations, assisting various projects in solving blockchain technical difficulties. And from 2020 to date, I have served as CTO of several fintech companies and also led the R&D teams. And previously, I was a senior software engineer in Cisco. You know that Cisco. And I was working in the WebEx team. And next, I'll introduce you how to integrate with Circle Programmable Wallet. And first, of course, you need to register an account on Circle Programmable Wallet platform. With that account, you can obtain your API key, secrets, public keys, and other things you need. And then just choose an SDK. With the right SDK, you can do it as quickly as possible. But for our case, our backend is written by Go. And sadly, there's no Go SDK on the Circle official site. So that was a major challenge for us. But it didn't stop us. We quickly formed a small team and decided to create our Go SDK in just 2 weeks. Yes, the 2 weeks is spent on the Go SDK, not integrate. Luckily, with Circle's helpful document and the supportive Rock team, we successfully overcome it and built a simple and easy to use SDK that allows developers to easily integrate Circle's Web3 service. And now Circle has not only got a Python SDK, Node.js SDK, and also a dedicated Golang SDK. The SDK includes essential methods for common purpose, such as creating wallet sets, establishing wallets, checking wallet balances, and sending transactions. And it's quite easy to use the SDK. And now let me show you how to use it. Yeah, this is our Circle console. You can get API keys, secret, and the public key here. And this is a demo program for showing how to use that SDK. First, you just need to provide the host address, API key, secret, and public key to initiate your Circle service object in the SDK. Pay attention that the public key is provided in an x.509 format file. We need to read it to the memory. And remember to do some error handling. And then just create the wallet service object. This is the root object which we need to interact with Circle wallet service. And then create a wallet set. As all wallet sets in Circle belongs to a specific set, simply calling the create wallet set method and everything will strive forward. Remember still the error handling. And then just call create wallet to create some wallet for you, and with the wallet set ID, wallet type, the blockchain where you want to create some address, and the count of wallet to create. This is useful when you want to create many wallets and the number is up to 1000. It is quite enough for most common things. Once the wallets are created, you can easily check the balance with the simple get wallet balance method. Quite simple. Just pass the wallet ID and you got every token on every chain and the balance. Okay. And at the last, you will find that sending a transaction is quite simple just by providing the destination address, token ID, the sender wallet ID, and the amount in the string form by just a simply method call. With that calling, you got the hash of the transaction on the blockchain, and later you can check the transaction on the blockchain browser. And so let's take a try. I have typed the command here. And you'll see we create a wallet set ID like this, and then we also create a wallet ID. We also create a wallet with the ID like this and the address here. And then I got the balance of an address which I have created before. Okay, the balance the Solana of the development net here is that's the gas fee. Okay, and I also got some testing USDC from the faucet. And the last one shows that the transaction has been sent on the blockchain. Yeah, with this simple method call. Okay, and these are the steps I talked about before. Yeah, the process is quite simple now. It eliminates the complexities of private keys and digital signatures and other crypting algorithms. And let me show you just the architectures of our Rosen app. And there's the Rosen app frontend and several backend services. The services in blue are the services developed by us, and the services in orange are from open source. And the services in green are provided by third parties such as Circle Web3 service. And the Rosen API service handles most of Rosen business logics. And the Rosen WebSocket service handles chat messages and game interactions. The Solana service, the name is too big. It just handles NFT in Solana. And with the wallet service, the Rosen API service can deal in wallets in different blockchain. Right now, we are going to replace it with Circle Web3 service as an upgrade. And okay, it's all my sharing today. Stella, could you take it back?
Yeah, sure.
I gotta
Yes, it's
say that was exciting stuff. You know, you actually built an entire wallet live on camera for the entire world to see. If that doesn't show your confidence in not only you know, the SDK, but Circle and everything that, you know, we've been working hard on, I don't know what else. I mean, you did it live stream. So shout out to you. That was really incredible. Thank you for walking us through that. Really great to see.
yeah. Yosef is really rock star in our team. He's
Yeah, yeah.
super good. Yeah. Yeah, so I'm not sure if I can go forward to sharing something about like the result or achievement after our integration with Circle. I'm not sure
Absolutely.
if that
Let
could
me
be
go ahead and pull that up.
exciting.
Let's go talk about that. That's very exciting. Let's go.
Yeah, exciting. Yeah, okay. I'm gonna keep going. So
Now, let's explore.
this is just a demo showcase the real app screenshots and screen record about the Rosen after the integration with Circle. So just keep your eyes on it. It should be really short.
Now, let's explore the seamless user experience created by the Rosen app using the Circle Programmable Wallet API from the user's perspective. 1. Signing up is a breeze. Log in using your email or authorize with Google or Apple. 2. Once you're in, you will find your wallets and digital assets displayed on the Me interface, with the wallet automatically generated by the Circle Programmable Wallet. 3. Need your wallet address? Want to recharge or withdraw funds? Just head over to the Rosen website, it's all smooth sailing. 4. Picture this, you recharge 1 USDC into your Rosen account using your Phantom wallet. And boom. You see 100 coins, as 100 coins represent 1 USDC in the app. Now, you can spend, transfer, or withdraw your coins, aka your USDC assets, right from the Rosen app instantly and no gas fee. As Rosen app is live on the App Store and Play Store, serving over 20,000 users across 88 countries, this seamless experience is perfect for those new to crypto and lays the groundwork for future borderless social transactions. As developers of Rosen, we can access each user's wallet addresses and transaction records through the Circle console, ensuring transparency and ease of management. Thanks for joining me in exploring how Rosen app enhances user experience.
Yeah, that's the part that Yosef just mentioned. I just will recap about how the developers see the consoles. Like, if the users do any transactions, basically you can, as the developer, you can see all the details on the Circle's developer platform. Yeah, so this is like a detailed features about like how we integrate with the Circle, and once you have such a like UI based on the Circle integration, and you will find the users will have auto-generated wallets here, and basically as a developer you don't have to take care about this part because they will powered by Circle. And what we can provide to our users is like the no gas fee through the gas station and no wallet needed through the programmable wallets. And this is some like real screenshots about the Rosen app, and we can easily find people around the world through such a interactive map. It was truly borderless, so you don't have to worry about your language or the payment. You can make friends all over the world. This is Ruti. She's just like an influencer in Argentina, and she's really amazing find her clients, friends on this app and transfer with the different peoples here. And this is a result like after our integration with the Circle Programmable Wallets to our users. So basically before using the Rosen app, if you want to do those cross-border small value transactions or micropayments, here's no way to go, right? If you want to go with the bank wiring, basically you should do those large amounts payments or transfer through the bank wiring. But if you just conduct like $100 or even lower than $100 to someone else in another country, it's quite impossible to do that because the traditional finance sectors like the bank will charge you like $30 or even $60 for each transaction. But even through the crypto, like for example, if you want to transfer crypto to another user, on the Phantom wallet, you still need to deposit a like Solana as the gas token, which is upfront cost. So you still need to charge like $8 to $10 for such a connection. And through the Rosen plus Circle gas station and programmable wallets, people can use that basically zero. So we don't charge any transaction fees or gas fees for our users as such an upfront cost. So it's like save the people even 100% for those transaction fees. So it's gonna be from like nowhere to go to anywhere, anytime, and zero fees. No time to waiting, no fees. Really seamless. This could be a future of the Web3 and the largest benefits to the people in this industry. And this is the result to our team, to ourselves. So we do created over 3,000 new active wallets through the PW, the programmable wallets, and the wallet utilization rate is increased to 100%. And our on-chain transaction increased 3,000. The average transaction time less than 6 seconds, which improved the efficiency by 40%. And our user retention rate was increased by 11%. So this is really amazing result of our connection with the Circle. So the USDC and PW already live on the Rosen app now. If you want to, stay updated with our latest feature or rewards from our team, from like our ambassadors program, feel free to follow us on the social media platform. Just download the app. This is what we are doing here right now. So I'm gonna pause here and hand it over to Sam again.
No, this is great. This is great. It seems like definitely a lot of great breakthrough and success.
Hello, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Yeah.
Yeah, we can hear you.
Oh my god.
Well, I think while Stella, thankfully we were able to hear your presentation go through very well. Yosef, it was truly exciting to see, like I said, the development deployment of programmable wallets in live as we streamed here today, and then also to see the demo of what the guests are experiencing in real time. Where did you kind of see any future possible opportunities of expansion on the technical side, Yosef?
Let me see.
Looks like we lost Stella again.
Oh,
Go ahead.
Yeah. I'm not sure like when I was dropped off.
Oh, we actually got to hear your entire presentation, so at least that part was good.
Okay. Yes.
Yeah. No, so the good thing is, I know here, if you're looking to get reconnected, we have reimagining digital economy through Web3. You have all the information here. Make sure to follow GoRosen.xyz. You could go ahead and visit their website there. You can also have at @go_Rosen on X, as well as at rosen.bridge on Instagram. You can also, if you're watching off of your mobile phones, feel free to go ahead and hit the QR codes here and start experiencing yourself. I think it's great to be able to walk through these experiences for yourself, so you can see firsthand how Circle's programmable wallets work in real time in a real world application. Look, very, very happy for this event. Glad we're able to go through this. Definitely looking forward to doing this some more. Make sure that you continue to follow in. Click these QR or scan these QR codes and make sure you can start building. Just a quick thank you to everybody that joined today. I see over about 170 people live across the different social platforms, which is extremely excited. Shout out to our people that tuned in, Rainan and Gu out there on LinkedIn that commented and gave some shout outs.